Okay. OC, are we ready? North LA, are we ready? Crowd, are we ready? All right, let's get it. Go. All right, we got North LA coming out. Hey, let's go. Oh, let's go. Service Commandos. We got North LA. BBoy beat on the house, representing the Fresh Kids. Yo, okay. I'll see what you got. Oh, you gotta come correct after that one. Make some noise, crowd. You gotta come correct after that one. Hey. Let's go. We got bullseye. On the floor. Woo! Let's go. Hey. All right, OC. What you got? Oh, okay. We got BBoy Asgard. Representing North LA, the Fresh Kids. Hey, yo, make some noise. What's up, OC? Oh, okay. Let's go, OC. Hey, okay. Hit with that Michael Jackson. Move hard. Let's go. What you got, North LA? Yo, let's go. Representing the Fresh Kids. Oh, coming correct. Okay. Hey. Oh, wait. We got hey. Nice. Rock it, bro. This kid got style. On the floor. Oh, okay. Woo! Let's go. What you got, OC? Hey, let's go. What you got, G-Shot? Let's go. Representing OC, Secret Sauce. Okay, what you got? Yo. All right, no delay. Last round, last round, last round. Let's go, let's go. Oh. Let's go, let's go. Okay. What you got? What you got? What you got? Okay, let's go. Hey, everybody make some noise. Why? These kids are here battling. One of these crews will be walking away with this WeBreak Solution Crew Championships Spring 2024. Make some noise, y'all! That's right. As you can see, all of this here is made out of 24 karat gold. This trophy is worth at least 20,000. So you better tell your kids to win, because you can go melt this down. And yeah, buy groceries, because everything's expensive right now. Okay? So, crowd, what do you think? Will it be OC moving on? Settle down, settle down. Or will it be North LA moving on? Oh. Gotta be faster than that. Yeah. You ever seen that little guy cook? Everybody count it down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. OC moving on. Make some noise for North LA.
I did it! I won one! Guys, I did it!
All right. Make some noise for that first battle, y'all.